Welcome to You Ask, We Answer, where our team breaks down your real questions about indoor air quality in a way that's clear, practical, and honest. Let's get started.
Hi, Dan Dearden, founder and inventor of the NovusAer Air Filtration System. I had a call today from a customer who asked a very interesting question. What happens if NovusAer goes out of business? And I'm stuck with this big blue box next to my furnace. Really good question. And as a heating and air conditioning contractor, I saw this problem over and over again. There would be manufacturers and brands that would come and go, and I was not able to help customers with repair parts or replacement parts because they just weren't available anymore. So when I invented the NovusAer system, I specifically kept that in mind. I designed it so that if a homeowner no longer needed or wanted 99 point whatever percent efficiency filters in his home anymore, that he could just replace them with standard filters. The NovusAer Air Filtration System uses standard 20 by 24 by 2 inch filters. As proof of this, I actually had a customer email wanting to know about our air filters. He had already actually gone online and purchased 4 20 by 24 by 2 MERV 14 filters and put his own gaskets on it and put it in his NovusAer unit. He did that because he couldn't figure out what it was. So now he has 90% efficient filters in his home, and that's really good. I mean, he could have just as easily gone down to the hardware store and got 20 by 24 by 2 MERV 13 filters and had 85% efficiency filters in there. Didn't even have to put gaskets on it, could have just slid them right in. Also, he could have gone online and bought MERV 16 filters and had even better air filtration. So no matter what, you're not going to be stuck with that blue box on the side of your furnace. You can always find a filter that will fit it because it uses standard size filters that you can get from the local hardware store or online. That being said, if you want to collect 100% of those nasty PM 2.5 particles that are in the air of your home, you really need to use our factory OEM specified air filters. They're the only ones that are designed to do that job. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching You Ask, We Answer. For more tips and resources, visit us at essentialairproducts.com. Clean air starts here.